This is the Lockheed C-130 Hercules, an aviation icon. Known for its rugged reliability and adaptability, the C-130 has been a cornerstone for airlift operations for over 6 decades. But there is more to this legendary aircraft than it meets the eye. Today, we're diving into 12 incredible things the C-130 can do, and has done, that you probably didn't know about. Buckle up, we're about to take off. Yeah, you read that right. A massive C-130 landing on an aircraft carrier. In 1963, the United States Navy conducted tests to see if the Hercules could operate from the deck of the USS Forrestal. With no catapult or arresting gear, the C-130 performed touch-and-go landings and full stops. It wasn't just a stunt, it was a serious evaluation of the Hercules' potential as a carrier on-board delivery aircraft. Ultimately, the idea was scrapped in favor of smaller planes, but the C-130 proved it could do the unthinkable. Long before drones became a staple of modern warfare, the DC-130 variant of the Hercules was pioneering unmanned operations. This modified C-130 served as a drone mothership, capable of carrying and launching up to 4 drones during missions. It was used extensively during the Cold War and the Vietnam War for reconnaissance and decoy operations, showcasing the adaptability of the Hercules platform. When it comes to extreme environments, the LC-130 variant stands out. Equipped with skis, this Hercules has been a lifeline for Arctic and Antarctic research stations. These specialized planes transport scientists, supplies, and equipment to some of the most remote and barren places on Earth. The LC-130 proves that even in the harshest conditions, the Hercules gets the job done. The Hercules isn't just a transport aircraft, it's also a tanker. The KC-130 variant extends the operational range of military missions by refueling helicopters, fighter jets, and even other C-130s mid-flight. This invaluable capability keeps operations running smoothly, whether in combat zones or during humanitarian efforts. Special Operations Forces have relied on the MC-130 for decades. Designed for covert missions, this variant excels in infiltration, exfiltration, and resupply operations in hostile environments. Its ability to fly low and avoid radar detection makes it a critical tool for elite military units. One standout mission involved the MC-130P Combat Shadow during the 1991 Gulf War. In the dead of night, this aircraft flew into enemy territory at very low altitude to insert special forces and resupply teams deep behind the enemy lines. Despite the high-risk nature of the operation, the MC-130P's stealth and advanced avionics ensured the safe delivery of the personnel and the supplies, even under intense enemy fire. This mission exemplified the MC-130's ability to operate in high-stakes, hostile conditions, supporting key special operations that ultimately contributed to the success of the war. The HC-130 is a lifesaver in every sense of the word. Specially equipped for search and rescue operations, this variant can locate and assist survivors in distress even in remote areas. Its extended range and specialized equipment make it a vital part of rescue missions worldwide. Known as hurricane hunters, the WC-130 variant takes on nature's most destructive forces head on. Flying directly into hurricanes, these aircraft gather critical data to help meteorologists predict storm passes and intensities. The WC-130's mission is as dangerous as it is vital. Armed with an array of weapons, the AC-130 gunship transforms the Hercules into a fearsome airborne arsenal. With a 25 mm Gauss 12 equalizer, a 40 mm Bofors cannon, and a 105 mm howitzer, this variant provides devastating close air support with pinpoint accuracy. The AC-130 has been a critical asset in conflicts like Vietnam, Iraq, and Afghanistan, supporting ground troops during intense battles. One of its most famous missions occurred during Operation Anaconda in 2002, where its precise firepower was instrumental in neutralizing enemy positions in rugged terrain. Its firepower, accuracy, and ability to loiter over a target area for extended periods are truly legendary. The EC-130 variant brings a different kind of firepower to the battlefield: electronic warfare. By jamming enemy communications and radar systems, this Hercules variant plays a crucial role in modern conflicts, ensuring Allied forces maintain the upper hand. The latest iteration of the Hercules, the C-130J, is faster, more efficient, and more capable than ever before. Featuring advanced avionics, including a digital glass cockpit and a state-of-the-art navigation systems, it offers pilots unparalleled situational awareness. Its enhanced Rolls-Royce AE 2100 turboprop engines provide greater fuel efficiency and power, enabling longer range and heavier payloads compared to earlier models. The C-130J also incorporates reduced crew requirements, with automated systems streamlining operations. Whether delivering humanitarian aid or supporting combat missions, the C-130J redefines what's possible for a tactical airlifter, ensuring that the Hercules' legacy thrives in the 21st century. With multiple new features and advanced technology, the C-130J continues the legacy of the Hercules while pushing the boundaries of what's possible. The RC-130 variant is designed for aerial reconnaissance and intelligence gathering. Packed with advanced sensors and cameras, it's capable of monitoring enemy movements and collecting crucial battlefield data. Whether it's for military intelligence or disaster assessment, the RC-130's variant role is indispensable. In the battle against wildfires, the C-130 transforms into a life-saving aerial firefighter. Equipped with the Modular Airborne Firefighting System, or MAFFS, this variant can drop thousands of gallons of water or fire retardant with pinpoint accuracy, helping to protect lives and property in the face of raging infernos. One notable example was its deployment during California's devastating Camp Fire in 2018, where C-130s played a crucial role in containing the fire, preventing further destruction, and aiding firefighters on the ground in one of the deadliest wildfires in U.S. history. From drone motherships to hurricane hunters, the C-130 Hercules family proves that versatility knows no bounds. Which of these incredible variants impressed you the most? Let me know down in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing aviation stories. Thank you for watching.